ocean and be a ocean. Don't become a pond just because people cannot swim the ocean. You are not a puddle, you are not a pond, you are the ocean. And the ocean never apologizes for its depth, for its power, or its sheer overwhelming nature. Stop shrinking and stop pretending to be a shallow pool just because the timid souls around you are afraid to drown. They cannot handle your complexity, that is their limitations, not yours. They must build their own boats, learn to navigate your currents, or just simply stay on the shore. Your vastness is not your mistake, it's your majesty. Be unforgivingly you and be unapologetically you. You don't ask permission to be strong, you don't ask permission to be powerful, you just simply are. People who cannot handle you, people who cannot match your standards, people who cannot handle your attitude, the attitude which is just reflecting your own high standards, your own high boundaries and self-respect for yourself. If there are people who are not able to handle such things, then they just simply don't need to enter the ocean, that is you. If they cannot handle your vastness, they should just simply stay on the shore. You must not allow them. Just because some people are not able to handle you doesn't mean that you are the problem. If they cannot handle you, it's just simply that they are not that much capable. It's their limitations, not yours. Be unapologetically how you are. If you have high self-standards, if you have high self-respect, and if you have strict boundaries, then that's not your problem or that's not your limitations. And if they are not able to, match your standards, then they are just simply not for you. And you must not allow them in your life. If they must the statement was so good, that they must build their own boats and learn to navigate your currents, or simply just stay on the shore. So they must try to fit with you, they must try to match your standards, match what you want in them. They should be that type of people who are accepting you just the way you are, who are able to handle your powerful attitude and your powerful high self-standard. And if they are not able to handle all these things of yours, then they must just stay on the shore. Simple. They must not enter the ocean, that is you. If they cannot handle your vastness, your currents, your deepness, your power, your sheer overwhelming nature, if they cannot handle all these things, then they must just simply stay on the shore. Or else, if they really want to be with you, then they must build their own boats, learn to navigate your currents, so that they can literally fit into you. And if they are not doing all these things, if they are not showing efforts, if they are trying to dim your light by being in your life, instead of making you shine even brighter, then they are simply not for you. People who are dimming your light by being in your life, people who are trying to dim your light by being in your life, instead of making you capable of shining even more, then they are just simply not for you. And you must never be apologetic for your high self-standards and for your high self-worth. If you never settle for less than what you ask, or never settle for less than you think how much you deserve. Simple. If people cannot handle you the way you want them to handle you, then simply they are not for you and you must not give them any chance. Simple. Never settle for less than what you think you are, and never settle for less than the thing you think you deserve. It is as simple as that. Don't be apologetic for the way you are just because people are not able to handle you. At last, I just want to say that you don't need to change yourself just because people are not able to fit into you. You don't need to change yourself just because people are not able to match your standards. You don't need to change yourself, or you don't need to be apologetic for this thing that they are not able to match your standards. You will find better people. You will find the best person in your life who is matching your each and every standard. Never settle for less than you think you deserve. If they are not able to match your standards, if they are not able to match your boundaries, then simply they are not for you. And you don't need to change yourself, you don't need to change your boundaries, you don't need to change anything about you just because they are not able to fit. And the one who is trying to dim your light by being in your life or by being with you, they are not for you. Who are making you change yourself, they are not for you. If they are making you change your bad habits, then it is something different thing. But if they are making you dim your light, if they are dimming your light by being in your life, then they are not for you. Simple. Don't be apologetic for your high self-standard, for your high self-boundaries, for your high self-respect. And never settle for less than you think you deserve. Don't be apologetic for the way you are just because they are not able to handle you. Not everyone can handle strong people. Sometimes it hurts their ego. So understand this thing. That's it.